What's the best way to get paint off a brick? What's the dumbest thing a customer's ever asked you to do? What's the hardest part about running a masonry business?
Ooh.
What's up, guys? We're running a new series called 21 Questions where we interview experts in their field and ask them rapid fire questions to try to get as much information to you as possible. We're going to throw some curveballs in there and pepper in some questions maybe to catch our guest off guard. We're joined today by Jimmy O'Neill of O'Neill Masonry. He started his company in 2005 and has over 20 years of masonry experience. If we get through this interview in under 3 minutes, Jimmy wins a $50 gift certificate to Dock Street Brewing Company. How's it going?
Going well.
All right, you ready to jump into this?
I am.
You know the rules. I'm going to ask a question, stop the clock. You answer the question, stop the clock, and we'll see how much is left on there. As someone with so much specialized experience, how do you educate yourself in the field?
Watching with my eyes.
What's the best way to get paint off a brick?
Call somebody else.
What's the number one thing that you've seen that causes stucco to fail?
Heavy cement.
What's the dumbest thing a customer's ever asked you to do?
Pass.
Very strategic. What's your favorite brand of frozen pizza?
Virtuoso.
What does it mean to underpin a basement?
Support the existing foundation so you go deeper.
Why is it important to use lime mortar when restoring an older facade?
So the wall can breathe properly.
What's the last thing you ordered on Amazon?
Ooh. Tripod.
What's the hardest part about running a masonry business?
People.
What's the hardest pattern of brick to lay?
45-degree herringbone.
What's the biggest red flag you get when you're pricing the masonry job out?
My gut feeling.
I guess you liked me when we started working together. When you're training new members of your team, what's the one thing you focus on hammering in?
Cleanliness.
What's the last movie you saw in theaters?
Ooh. Arachnophobia.
Oh, that was a while ago. Besides Philly Green Building, who's your favorite builder on Instagram or YouTube?
Oh boy, Masco Construction.
How do you find most of your customers?
I don't.
If you can give one piece of advice to new Masons, what would it be?
Find another career.
Backstreet Boys or NSYNC?
Backstreet Boys.
All right. What's the one piece of advice you give to someone when working with building inspectors?
Remember, they're people too trying to do their job and they deal with nonsense all day. So more bees, you get more bees with honey.
I like that. Who gives you more headaches, engineers or architects?
Architects, hands down.
What's your favorite color?
Green.
If someone has an old house, what's the one thing they can do to keep it standing?
Work with the proper materials that they would have used when they built that home.
All right, you passed on the one question. Quick and easy one for you. Should be an easy answer. Milwaukee or DeWalt?
I'm always a DeWalt guy, but leaning towards Milwaukee these days.
Gonna make some enemies out there.
Yeah.
Jimmy, thanks for coming by.
Thank you
Hope
for
this was
having
a good source of information, and make sure to follow both of us on social media. We'll put some links to Jimmy's profile. He does some of the best masonry work in Philadelphia, wins tons of awards every year, and we are lucky to have found him to start working together. See you on the next one, guys. Jimmy's been working in the masonry industry for 20 years and is age 60 in the process. What's up, guys? I'm here with Jimmy O'Neill. He pretty much invented the brick. What's up, guys? I'm here with Jimmy, Testa de Portland O'Neill.